Hello to the group. I just received the new Piscifun Carbon X II reel. I'm going to open it up. It says it's made in China. I don't want to say that's not a big deal to me, but it is what it is. It's a new world. Piscifun, Fish with Family, Carbon X II 2000 series. I got the 2000 series because it has the anti-reverse switch underneath, and I like anti-reverse on my reels. Bunch of letters on the side. Opening it up. Piece of foam. Some other accoutrements. Obviously, it's the handle to the reel. Looks like some discs, drag washers inside, along with paperwork. Comes in a bag. And pull the bag apart with the handle. Stuff is pretty sticky. Well, good for them for good packaging. The reel is smaller than I thought it was going to be, and that's a good thing because I want it to be small. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey. There it is. Now, the number one thing I do to judge reels is how that bail collapses on itself, how it trips. And boy, that's tough. That might be a deal breaker. That might, I might have to send that in and take it back. Because I'm comparing it to this right here, which is my tried and true Zebco Cardinal 3. I grew up in the Cardinal 4s, bought them in 1979, and of course, I have the line wrapped on the spool, or wrapped on the handle. And this just activates so quickly and so nice that that's what I'm comparing it to. Very lightweight. Seems to be very smooth, and it's got the anti-reverse switch on the back, or on the bottom. I got it for $68. I think it was like 85, and then I got 15% off, and then I think they shipped it for free from California. So, all right. That's my initial unboxing of the Piscifun Carbon X II. Fairly impressed, but we'll see how that bail works when I get it mounted on a rod. Later. Okay, I wanted to do a quick update after I left, talking about the bail. And boy, do I feel like a big dummy, because I was talking to a buddy about this, and he said, well, all you got to do is just flip the bail over with your fingers. Mind is blown. Why didn't I think of that? Of course. So I could close the bail, and be totally independent from the handle action, and just close it and then keep going. So point being, you know, live and learn, and you got to be open to new stuff and talk about things and then figure it out. But since that's the case, I'll just close it manually and then be done, and then I'll be fishing. All right, later.